In this video, we'll teach you how to use a tripod for your iPad.
The first thing you need to do is obviously get a tripod.
Next, keep your tripod safe by storing it in a safe location. It should be in a place where not many people would touch it, like in a closet or a storage room. And you want to make sure to use it safely, in a proper area that is a safe environment for recording.
To attach your iPad, take off the case, then push down the pin and open the slot where your iPad goes. Carefully place your iPad in the slot and push down the pin to close the slides tightly on the iPad.
To adjust it, turn the twist lock left, which will loosen it. Then make the tripod taller or shorter based on your desires. This works for all of the adjustable areas of the tripod, except for the one place where you put your iPhone. There are 360-degree orbital balls that you can also adjust to change the angle. On the wheels, there are pedals that you can step on to lock. A common problem is a tripod tipping over. To fix this, pull on the hinges at the bottom of the tripod and lift it up straight. Another common problem is the tripod not rolling easy. To fix this, loosen the tight lock at the bottom of the tripod, then lift the main bar off